Playing the 3 Moves to Zero game is one of our favorite ways to build multi-step computational fluency skills. The goal of the game is to clear the board by making 3 zeros. Each zero is made using 3 numbers in any of the operations shown. If you make a zero, those 3 numbers disappear. Continue making zeros using the remaining numbers until you clear the board. When you begin the game, you will see 9 numbers around the board. Using the operations shown in the middle, start to plan out which sets of 3 numbers will make zeros. To make your first zero, click on a number, then an operation, then another number. Click on the result of that equation, then an operation, and then another number to make a zero. If this equation does make a zero, a green check mark pops up and those numbers disappear. Now you are left with 6 numbers that you will use to make 2 more zeros to clear the board. To complete this problem, 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 10 minus 10 equals 0. With these last 3 numbers, we could do either 6 plus 2 to make 8, or 8 minus 2 to equal 6. Either way, by subtracting the remaining number, it cancels out to make a 0 and clears the board. And once you fill the bar with 2 plays, you will complete a game and earn your stickers. Most of the time, the problems will require you to think and plan ahead. If you get into solving a problem and make a mistake, you can use the undo button located on the left side to clear your last sequence of moves. If you want to restart from the beginning, use the reset button located on the right side to bring you back to your original 9 numbers. It's worth knowing that the game starts with 6 bonus stickers, so each time you click either the undo or reset button, it will cost you 2 bonus stickers. To earn maximum stickers, mentally figure out how to make the 3 zeros using all 9 numbers before you begin. As you advance in games and rounds, the problems get trickier as the numbers get larger and more operations need to be used. The good news is you'll earn more stickers in these rounds. Also know you are able to click on 2 numbers and then an operation, but if you use this method, be mindful of the order when subtracting. The result could have a negative number when out of order. We hope you have fun playing 3 Moves to Zero. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!